What's up, players? This is Beto with Backyard Yonques, and we're back with another video of the Camaro, and I got another sponsor. What's up, players? We're gonna be here unboxing, well, unwrapping all these brand new parts. Alright, so I got in contact with Matt from Anvil Auto, and I'm already running a couple of his parts. I got the front spoiler, carbon fiber, and then these little rings that go around the headlights. Alright, so I reached out to Matt, and he decided to help me finish off the carbon fiber look on my car, and he sent us out some carbon fiber split bumpers, the rear carbon fiber bumper, and this front the spoiler splitter that goes under the spoiler. And so we're gonna be putting them on and seeing how it looks. We've got a brand new carbon fiber razor blade, and we're ready to open these things up. Imagine I cut them, scratch them.
I know.
Alright, that's enough.
There you go, you cracked them already.
Dude, these things are so light.
Looks like a tomahawk.
Ooh.
Damn, that thing looks sick.
This is like Christmas morning, just unwrapping everything.
In March. Way few months before December.
Damn, son. Hell yeah. Boy!
Damn,
Sheesh. That shit's bright. Epic. Let's do the other one. Damn. Hold up, both of them.
Those things are crazy,
Epic,
bro.
man.
It looks so sick.
Ooh,
It's gonna look
that's
sick
just gonna
because it's
look
right
sick with
against the other
spoiler.
carbon, yeah.
Yeah. Cool thing about these is it lines up perfectly. Once they're on, it meets with the other piece of the carbon fiber spoiler, so carbon on carbon basically. Gonna look amazing right now. We're gonna put them on. Alright guys, we're moving to the back now. We're gonna be opening up the back bumper. Hopefully it's not as slow of a process as a split bumper is. This is insane. We're gonna do the freaking cinematic flip.
Damn, that one's bad,
Epic,
dude. Look at that. Damn, that shit's gonna look sick on the car.
To show you guys how fucking light this thing is, one hand. Crazy.
But it doesn't work out, so that's
it
not
doesn't
actually.
work out, so this is like. Bam.
Damn, that's gonna look nice, dude. Show them the back,
Once I
like.
clean up the car a little bit.
Show them the back so you can see where how it mounts. It has the threads already on there. Pretty crazy.
Alright guys, we're here taking off the front bumpers. Already got one of them off. But the bracket, I need these brackets, but I welded them on to shave the bumper bolts. So now I gotta figure out a way to take off the brackets to use them for the new bumpers.
Alright guys, so we're putting on the front little splitter or the bottom plate to the spoiler. It's pretty simple to install it. It has it already has all the holes, and two of them line up to the splitter, also from Anvil. So it pretty much lines itself up. All you gotta do is drill holes into the bottom lip of the spoiler. So that's what we're doing right now, and it comes with all this hardware to mount it. And yeah, pretty much you don't want to over tighten them because the thing on top is carbon fiber and you don't want to crack it or break it, so get it snug in there, tight enough. They have lock nuts, so they won't be coming out.
All we need is this one, huh?
And then yeah, we just pretty much got them all mounted up almost. This is what it's looking like. Looks pretty sick.
We're putting in the last bolt right now. Only took us about 10 minutes. And just, I don't know, we're putting in the last one. Done with the front spoiler.
This thing looks sick, man.
What is it called? The front spoiler?
Spoiler? I don't know. But it looks super dope. And yeah, we're gonna get to, we just cut the brackets out of his old split bumpers. So now we're gonna, oh, we actually have them over there, look. Beto just spray painted them black real quick because they were kind of bare metal. And so we're about to hook those up to his carbon fiber split bumpers, and we're gonna see if we can mount those. But that, the inside of the bumper, show them, it has that bolt. So that pretty much, this piece of the bracket goes onto there. Just make sure you don't over tighten that, because that is carbon also, and you don't want to crack that because then you're screwed. So be real careful with that. And then yeah, mount them up nice, bolt all this back up together, and you should be good. So we're gonna knock this out real quick, knock out the other side, and I'll show you a clip once we got those on. Then we'll be moving to the back for the full back bumper.
I'm excited for that one.
I know, that one's gonna look nice.
Sick.
Alright guys, so the rear bumper is gonna be a little easier to install than your front bumpers, but the only thing is that the holes, you kind of have to like chase them out first, because I don't know if it's like carbon fiber in the threads or fiberglass, or I don't know what it is, but like the threads were kind of full. I don't know if they're all like this, but we just chase them down with the bolts first, making sure we got it, the bolts to be able to go in with ease. So we're about to go hook this up in the back.
You gotta wash it?
Instead of using the old bolts, we got some new ones from the hardware store, and we're gonna mount this thing up. So that looks insane, actually, dude. That thing looks sick. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna start bolting this thing up. All right guys, check out this freaking beauty right here. This thing looks insane. Quick install for this one. Check out the carbon.
All the handprints all over
All
it.
the fingerprints. Dude, this thing looks insane. How do you like it, Beto?
Amazing. It looks good. Now but froze it. Freaking looks amazing.
Yeah, this shit's gonna be so sick.